Welcome to our YouTube channel named as CAT2IIM by Manoj Mahajan. We'll continue with 200 plus QA Mind Boggling Concept Series. So make sure that you do watch the entire playlist, and definitely it is going to benefit to all the CAT and OMETs aspirants. So do check out the video till the end also. And if you have not subscribed to our channel, so make sure that you subscribe. We are coming up with a lot of free videos relevant for CAT and OMETs. So don't miss out them. So let's look over here. There's a wonderful question which appeared in one of the CAT paper. So they have given you over here, the Shabnam has three choices. Option A, invest in public sector bank. It promises a return of 0.1%. Then you have an option B out here and you have option C out here. And we have two questions over here. So maximum guaranteed return to Shabnam they're asking you, and what strategy will maximize the guaranteed return to Shabnam. Now, a lot of students would definitely look forward to use question number 34 data out here using the options, but that would be a bit time consuming. So let's look at a super way out how we can answer this particular problem which appeared in one of the CAT. See, if you look over here, of course, option A is safe. You have a 0.1% return for sure. But let's look at option B and C. Now, when you come to option B, they are saying the return is 5% in the case of the rise in the stock market. So let me put it like this. So if you have a rise, in that case, 5% return you have. But there is a possibility that if it falls, then there is minus 3% loss also we have. So we cannot think of completely investing the entire amount in option B because we have to look forward for maximum guaranteed. When you come to option C, it is the other way around. When you look forward for a rise, in that case, there is a loss of 2.5%. But if there is a fall, in that case, they are saying there is a gain of 2%. So we cannot even look forward to completely invest in option C. So we are going to look for a possibility. Let's apply some money in option B, let's say X rupees, and in option C, let's say Y rupees. Now we have to look forward a maximum guaranteed return. So it should actually not depend on the stock market rise or fall. Whether it's a case of rise or fall, we should be able to get some return guaranteed. So what I'm going to do is, let's say in the case of rise in the stock market, we have 5% of X return in the case of option B, and there is a loss of 2.5% in the case of option C. So this is the return we have, and what we're going to do is the return in the case of rise or fall, we're actually going to make it same so that we have the surety that yes, this return would surely be there. It will not be depending on the market rising or it is falling. In the other case, we have if it is falling, so minus 3% of X plus what? 2% of Y. So this is the guaranteed return strategy. If I look over here, so if you rearrange 8% of X is equal to what? 4.5% of Y. So you can actually look forward to get the ratio X upon Y. If I look over here, which is nothing but 4.5 upon 8. And if you further simplify it, you would actually get 9 by 16. So we have to even calculate when you have the ratio 9 by 16 in option B and C. Let's see what is the percentage return. Then only we can look forward to figure out an option where X and Y are on the ratio 9:16. So we do have, if I look over here, that is second option out here. If you look in option B and C, the ratio of the investment, if I look over here, is in the ratio 9:16. So let's calculate first what is the return we are getting over here. So to get the return, either you calculate this value or maybe this value, it would be same. So I'm calculating this value. So what do I have as 5% of X. Now we have to calculate the return that's in percentage. So we can assume, let's say X is 9 and Y is 16. So let's put it like this. So this is the return we have on what investment, that is 9 plus 16, and the whole gets multiplied with what? 100. So 5%, 2.5%, that percentage sign, if you remove, you'll get 100 over here. So the calculation comes out to be very simple. 5 into 9, 45. 2.5 into 16, if I look over here, that is nothing but 40. That is going to be left out. And we are going to be left out with 25 in the denominator, right? So ultimately, this is nothing but 5 upon 25, which is 1 by 5. So what is the return we have? 0.2%. Now, of course, we are not going to invest in option A any value, because in B and C, if I do it in the ratio 9 by 16, the return is 0.2. If we invest something in A, in that case, the average would lie between zero point 0.1 to zero point 0.2. So of course, we are not going to look for any option of A out here. So we have to look for B and C, and the ratio in which we have to look the investment should be 9 by 16. So the correct answer should be option 2, and the maximum guaranteed return is nothing but 0.2. It's a wonderful question which appeared in CAT. So this playlist would surely be very, very fruitful to each and every aspirant. So I'm going to cover up around 200 mind-boggling concepts. So done with 34. So just make sure that you follow the channel, and you can look forward to join the WhatsApp information group also of CAT2IIM. The link is available on the channel itself. And make sure that if you want to be part of CAT2IIM journey in terms of doing the live classes with us, if you are having difficulty in understanding these concepts, so what we are looking forward is for CAT25 and OMETs, we are starting a Super 60 batch from 14th of September. And for CAT24, if the concepts are a little difficult for you to understand because I'm applying super trick and shortcuts, so you can look forward to buy our self-paced course also, which has all the concept recordings. So it would be really beneficial to you. And if your concepts are at place, you're able to understand this, and you're going to practice more variety of question with us, and you want to be mentored by us, you can look forward to join our CAT24 OMETs Booster Course starting from 20th of September. And in the mentoring sessions, of course, I'm going to guide you in totality so that you can look forward to get calls and convert. And we have a huge success rate. 1 out of every 2 CAT2IIM student get top B school call. So what are you waiting for? Look forward to call me at 9891565351 for more details about the CAT2IIM offerings. And for free videos, of course, you have to subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out any of the free videos. And you can look forward to cover up the entire QA playlist free, near about 200 mind-boggling concepts. Thank you.